Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Everwonder Tech. In this video we're going to discuss multiple monitors. I recently had to put a third monitor in and had to do a little bit of configuration to get it the way I like it. So I kind of wanted to share with you about how easy it is. So this is your display settings here. To get to it, you just right click on the desktop and go to display settings. And then it brings up your monitors. Now I have three. I know they're labeled kind of funky, 2, 1, 3, but I have this one as my main monitor, this one as my monitoring monitor, and this one as basically my third. And to identify each one, you can just click the number and it's going to tell you what number. In this particular case, number 3, I made my main display. I extend the displays each. So since it's on the right, if I move my mouse to the left, it goes to the middle monitor. If I move it a little further to the left, it goes to the far left monitor. This is the setup for me. It just works good for me. When it first installed, these were all out of order. I'd try to go to the left and it would just hit the far left monitor, and I had to go to the right to go to the middle monitor. It's really this simple, guys. If you just drag these, you can put them in whatever order you want. It's that simple. So now if I drag to the right, I'm over here. If I drag to the left, I'm over there. Let me go ahead and put them back so I don't get confused. Come on. All right. So anyways, I wanted to show you can actually move these around. This is the main thing right here. It's super simple. Windows 10, by the way. You guys have any questions or any comments, leave them down below. Short and sweet video, just showing you how to use this. All right, everyone, please like and subscribe. Definitely helps out the channel. Have a good night. Bye-bye.